Oh my god, guys, I am so excited for this unboxing. This is the GAN Robot 2.0, and if you heard anything about this product, you would know that this thing is insane. From what GAN has been saying, this thing could be Felix Zemdeg's every single time. So we'll hold him to that, and let's just get right into the unboxing. Through this little plasticky thing. Alright, and then just open it up. Oh my god, look. Holy crap. Wait, hold up. It also came with a GAN 326i? Okay, GAN did not tell me they were sending me this. So this is my normal GAN 326i. It's just like a normal black cube. This one's in white, and it has like blue internals or something. Okay, that's actually so sick. I did not expect them to send another 326i to me. Yeah, then obviously charging stand, GAN card, a pamphlet, another GAN bag. Oh my god, I have too many of these now. Charging cord for the cube, extra springs, another pamphlet, and then obviously in a hard case, the GAN robot. Now before we take a look at this, let's take a look at the 326i. Wow, look at that. You can see inside it's like blue and everything. That looks so sick. Super cool. Turns really well as always. Okay, main attraction, GAN robot. And zip that open. Dang. Obviously charging bricks so we could charge the robot. Wow, okay. Okay, so we could just move these all up. Okay, so I love this color. Look at that. So it's white and blue, just like this GAN 326i, white and blue. But other than that, it looks pretty similar to the old one. I don't think there was many design changes. Alright, so I'm going to try and just get straight into what you guys want to see. Let's try solving a Rubik's Cube on this. So I connected the robot to my phone now. Now because it's going to take a while to charge this thing, I'm not going to be using it. I'm going to be using just my normal, regular GAN 326i. Okay, so same thing as always, just like click it in, ready, and go. You're joking, what? How fast was that? Okay, I'm gonna get out like my laptop right now. Alright, so let's just like re-scramble that, normal hand scramble, whatever, doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna just click the spacebar right when I press start solving, and 640, oh my god, and like there was even a pause after I clicked start solving. Okay, you have to do that like a few more times. Okay, yeah, GAN was not joking about how fast this thing was. .1. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be beating this thing in a race. Let's try doing that again. Oh shoot, I forgot to stop the timer. That is crazy. I actually love it. Okay, this is so cool. Alright, let's just do like one turn like that. And because there's nothing actually like turning the top, it has to like do a bunch of other stuff to actually do that. Here, let me show you. So I just did a U move, and I like how it takes the robot about the same time to do a U move than it takes to do like an entire cube. Alright, well that just blew away all my expectations. That is amazing. Like, okay, like I love the old GAN robot, but not gonna lie, it was kind of slow, so it was kind of useless. But this thing is a whole different story. Like, let's just do one more solve to end the video. Alright, I think that's it for me now. Yeah, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.